iQOO recently announced the Neo 9 Pro in the Indian market, which is a pretty good value for money phone, offering a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset around 36,000 rupees. This also makes it the most powerful phone in its price segment. The brand has now started teasing the launch of the iQOO Z9 in India. The last phone under the Z series from iQOO in India was the iQOO Z7 Pro, which was launched with a curved screen and a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset. It is also worth mentioning that while the iQOO Z8 was not launched in India, it was launched in China last year with a Dimensity 8200. This is not surprising because, as we have seen in the past, not all the iQOO phones are launched outside China. Anyways, coming to the iQOO Z9, it will be a successor to the iQOO Z7 in India. The iQOO Z7 in India had a Dimensity 920 chipset, a 90Hz AMOLED display and more. The iQOO Z9 is coming with a Dimensity 7200, the same chipset that powers the iQOO Z7 Pro. As per the company, the iQOO Z9 is the most powerful phone in its price segment. And since the iQOO Z7 Pro is already available at around 23,000 rupees, this means the iQOO Z9 should be launching at around or even under 20,000 rupees. Another thing that the company has already revealed is the camera sensor. The primary camera on the back has a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS. This is the same camera sensor that the Realme 12 Pro has. The official post says that this is the segment's first phone with the Sony IMX882 sensor, which again hints at the price being around 20,000 rupees. As for the design, the iQOO Z9 has a dual camera setup on the back, and the official images show a green color option. The sides of the phone are flat, and unlike the iQOO Z7 Pro, the iQOO Z9 has a flat display, not a curved one. We already know the major specifications of the phone, so the iQOO Z9 has a 6.6-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display with an 1800 nits peak brightness. There is a 5000 mAh battery with 44 watt fast charging support. The dual cameras on the back include a primary 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS and a secondary 2 megapixel sensor. So there is no ultra-wide camera on this phone, which was also the case with the iQOO Z7 Pro. The phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera and Android 14 runs out of the box. And well, that is all about the iQOO Z9. Again, iQOO should launch this phone around 20,000 rupees because above 20,000 rupees there is already the iQOO Z7 Pro. What are your expectations for the price? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.